There is a level of leadership at Tranont that changes absolutely everything. Welcome to Base Camp. You don't just sign up for this, you earn it. Hitting Ruby and getting paid at that rank 3 times, that's your foundation. When that phone rings and corporate is on the line with your official invite, that's the moment everything shifts. You stop being just a builder and you start becoming a leader of leaders. Base Camp is the bridge. It is the first true milestone on a journey that leads to Ascent and ultimately to Summit. But every great climb starts right here. We roll out the red carpet at Tranont Corporate, and then we head into the mountains. Welcome to Legacy Mountain. This is where Tranont's roots run deep. It's the very ground where our founders built their first vision. Up here, the noise fades and the transformation begins. This isn't just about celebrating how far you've come. It's about rising to the next level of influence, high-level training, and finding your why. It's about building an unbreakable community, sharing your vision in a safe place with the people rising right alongside you. And yes, you're going to have a lot of fun too. This is where your foundation is set. This is where your business explodes. The only question is, are you ready for the climb? Hit Ruby, earn your spot, and I'll see you at Base Camp.